Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm doing a cozy fall day in the life where I'm going to be decorating, baking, cooking, and doing a little self-care day as well. So very excited to bring you guys this video. It's a little different than what I normally post, but I hope that you guys do enjoy it. To start off my day, you saw me light our fall candle. I love to do that in the morning time to get the house smelling like fall. And then I'm going to make my iced coffee for the morning. If you've been here for a while, you've probably heard me mention that I can't have caffeine. It just does not react well with my body, but I do still like the taste of coffee. So instead of going to Starbucks every single day, I just got some decaf cold brew from Amazon that I really like, and I just make them here at home. It's a nice little treat that I can have on my days off. Next, we're going to head into our primary bathroom. I have not decorated in here yet, so I wanted to add a little bit of fall touches in here, nothing too crazy, so I'm just going to be replacing our stems in our Hobby Lobby vase. The wooden tray is from Walmart, such a great deal, and it is a really nice size. These stems are an old find from Target, but I absolutely love them. Then I'm taking this pumpkin from Hobby Lobby and putting that right next to it. You will see in this video, I'm just incorporating very simple fall touches around our home to the spaces that I haven't yet gotten to. So for these little shelves, I'm going to put these canisters from Target, and I'm adding in these fall faux arrangements that I picked up from Target a couple years ago. I landed on putting them next to the ribbed canisters, and I really love that nice fall touch that it added. For a little self-care, I'm going to be using my Foreo UFO 3 Deep Facial Hydrating Device. They sent over 4 different masks, and I'm going to be sharing with you how you set up the app, use the device, and why I personally love it. The UFO 3 is a deep facial hydrating device that gives you benefits of 5 spa facials. It increases skin moisture levels by 126% in just 2 minutes, and as a result, it clinically is proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles in just 7 days. Now, the app is super simple to set up on your phone. You just go through, do this little quiz so it gets to know you, and then you can set up the device, link it via Bluetooth to the app, and it'll go through all the steps on how to apply these masks. Today I'm going to be using the Make My Day mask, which is a hydrating mask. We live here in Colorado and my face is so dry, so I need all of the hydration I can get. So as you saw, I removed that little plastic ring. I'm going to open up the little mask package. Once I get that out, I'm going to place it on top of the device and then place the plastic ring to secure it in place. Using the UFO 3 device, it's more effective than a sheet mask, and you can complete each treatment in just 2 minutes. It does have warming, cooling, and refining therapy along with the T-sonic massage depending on which mask you use. I personally love this device because of how easy it is to use, and I love that I can look forward to doing this little self-care routine every single day to treat myself. I love that there is an app on your phone as well, so it takes all the guesswork out on how to use the mask, how long to apply it for. Everything is right there for you. It also comes with this little stand, so I keep it right next to my sink for easy access. Once you're done, you just take off the plastic ring and peel off the mask and run it under cool water. I have been using this for a few months now, and I highly recommend it, so if you guys would like to try it out, make sure to click the link in the description below to get 30% off the UFO 3. Additionally, the first 50 people who uses my code Molly10 will get an extra 10% off. Thank you so much to Foreo for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and get back to decorating. For our powder bath, again, keeping it very simple, adding in some fall stems and these beautiful framed art pieces that I picked up from Target recently. On the vanity, I'm going to add in these really pretty sunflower stems. I cannot remember where I got these, but I will try to find something similar. They do look very realistic, and I love them so much. Gives the perfect fall feel that I was looking for. For the other side of the vanity, I'm just taking this wooden pedestal that I got from Amazon, putting our Bath & Body Works soap and a little pumpkin right next to it. Right outside of our powder bath, I'm going to add this vase and little pumpkin to our gallery wall to add that little touch of fall in this space as well. I know that in my first Fall Decorate With Me, I styled this space, but unfortunately I've never been happy with it, so I decided to restyle it, and I wanted to add in some pumpkins as well. So I'm going to take this vase from A Floral and these stems that are also from A Floral. The wooden tray is from Target. I know a lot of you guys love it just as much as I do. So again, I will have everything linked below, as I always say in my videos. So if you do see something you like, make sure to check down there. Adding in this pumpkin that I got from Walmart. It's such good quality. I love the wood detailing on it. And then adding in this candle that I just picked up from Anthropologie. It's in the scent Pumpkin Clove. I got it recommended by one of the girls I watch on YouTube, Samantha Jo. Most of you guys probably know her, but it smells so good. I highly recommend it. It's a little pricey, but it burns beautifully and makes your house smell so good. If you're new here, you probably wouldn't know that I am a hairstylist, and so I don't like spending a ton of money on my nails, so I love doing these press-on nails. As of recently, my little niece actually got me into this, and we love doing them together. Unfortunately, she wasn't here today because she was in school, but I decided to pop some on. These are really simple to do. I just filed down my nail, push back my cuticles, and then use the little alcohol pad to dry out my nail before applying. I do like to go through and fit all the nails so that I have it all prepped before I actually start applying the glue. I did get these two that I showed you at Target. They're from the new fall collection, and I really love these one in particular because they're like an iridescent look, and they are perfect for fall time in my opinion. You'll have to let me know what you think of them in the comments below. After I've applied my nails, I'm going to start making dinner. So this is going to be a crock pot dinner, and I'll leave the recipe down below that I used. The only thing that I didn't put in here is corn because my husband doesn't love corn. So very, very simple. It's one of those crock pot recipes that you can throw everything in and leave for the day, which I absolutely love, especially when we're working during the week. So this is the white chicken chili that I like to make. I love the green chilies in here. It gives it that little extra spice. This was our first chili of the season, which got me really excited for the cooler weather. We love chili here in our home, so I cannot wait to make more. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to do some baking, and I'm going to make these pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookies that I got from Trader Joe's. These were so simple to make, and they were so good, so I highly recommend getting some if you have a Trader Joe's local to you. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to get some things done around the house, like loading the dishwasher, starting that up, washing some dishes, and I'm also going to be mopping our floors. I am all for making our lives easier since we do both work a full-time job. You guys will see here shortly, but it is the Tineco Wet Dry Vacuum. I have seen so many people talk about this for years and years, and I never took the plunge to get one, but we absolutely love it. You can mop and vacuum at the same time, which is a total game changer. They are a little expensive. I would wait until a sale on Amazon happens, which is coming up, so make sure to just keep an eye out for that, but this is absolutely amazing. It makes mopping not so dreaded anymore in our house. Even my husband doesn't mind doing this, so highly recommend if you guys have been looking. I don't do these day in my life videos very often, but I thought it would be fun for the fall season, so if you would like to see more of these here on my channel, Make sure to let me know below, or if you have any other requests for videos in the upcoming months. I'm always open to suggestions and would love to film videos that you guys want to see. Once I'm done with some things around the house, my husband got home, so I am now finishing up dinner. I just shredded the chicken. I'm going to add in a half a block of cream cheese, cut that into smaller sections, and then let that melt. Once that's done, dinner is complete. I'm going to top the chili with some shredded cheese and these little tortilla strips from Target. They are so good. We put them on top of our chili, and it makes it that much better. Once I'm done prepping our dinner, that is going to complete this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me over on my social media. It'll be linked below for you. I want to thank Foreo for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check out the link for the UFO 3 device in the description below to save 30% and an extra 10% to the first 50 people who use my code. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.